Internet. Today we're playing Build a Boat for Treasure. Yeah. Alright, wait, let me just move this. Wait, how do I get this away? Alright, you guys can start the boat now. You guys can start the boat. Who did that? I said click by itself. I'm gonna lower my volume because I hope you guys can hear me a little. Alright, I hope you guys can hear me. And whoa! Okay, that was loud. That was more loud. Come on, guys, we need a better boat. Who made this boat? Oh, why didn't? Why made this boat? I like how Figure's shooting him in the end. Can we launch this? I also got the sword, guys. By the way, guys, I'm starting to make videos every Sunday and Saturday now. Yeah. So I can't make videos every day. I gotta make them every Sunday or Saturday. Maybe like on breaks sometimes. Like maybe summer break. A lot of videos. Okay, anyway, let's keep going. This world's kind of weird. Come on, guys. Who made this? Oh, why did it come? I didn't mean to do that. Can we pick that up and throw it out one of these things so we don't have to like, into things? Push that one of them. Oh, this was. I remember this. Hey, where'd Figure go? Figure? Where are you? Did he die? I think he died. I think he died. I think Figure died. Did he? His seat was right here. Maybe his seat got broken and he fell in the water, probably. Oh my god, what did I use? Our cannon is broke. Let me click the button. Yeah, maybe we can fly away with this. Oh no, I never seen this world ever. We're almost getting close to the last area. My sword just dropped or something? It hit the potion and dropped or in the toxic. Oh, actually, we're next to Socks World and... Hey, what's that? Oh, I see. That's a chest. Wait. Figures. He's right there. He's behind us. He's like at the potion area. Oh, now we're at laundry area. Now we're gonna die. Great. Come on, close, 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 close. I guess we made it now. Figure's heading to the wastelands. I wonder what that is. Oh, next is the lighthouse area, the hardest one. Oh no, why? Why? Oh, why is still here? Why? Watch out, why. This is the hardest world. No, I'm stunned. Alright, just a few more to hit. Very good. No, 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 no. No, no. Stop, stop, stop. No. Uh-uh. Nuh-uh. No. No. I died, guys. I couldn't even take a thumbnail, too. Wait, what? I guess figures like... Oh, here's my thumbnail. I took it. I think figure's still in the... in the area. Alright, we are back! Guys, let's launch the boat. We were just chatting and building the boat. Alright. Could someone click it too? Come on. Come on, could someone vote? Bro! Figure, can you vote? Alright, there we go. Who activated the shield? Anyways. There's some new areas right here, right here, right here. So we got... I knew it was something. Whoa! We stop it. Well, not. How are we gonna get there now? Figure, you placed a harpoon before? Now how are we gonna get there? I guess we gotta... Should we use jetpacks? Should we just fly all the way there with jetpacks? Let's push it. I don't think that'll work. Should we just fly all the way to the treasure with jetpacks? Let's do it. Let's fly all the way. Look at these cool lights. Guys, I'm flying with the jetpack. I'm flying to the end with the jetpack. Whatever, I'm coming back. How are we gonna get it? But what if we click the button like we guys were messing around? Someone click the button. Button. I'll click it myself if you guys do. Is that it? Where's the button? Where's the button? I think the button's gone. Should we restart, guys? Everyone back in the water. Everyone get in the water. We can restart. Alright. Let's keep going. Why? Can you place the jetpacks? Did you save it? Why? I hope you did. Oh, here's the loads. This is what it looks like. We're back. Time to launch. We have to make a few adjustments with the boat. Time to launch it. Or the boat's going, the boat's going. Boat's going, boat's going. Should we just activate all the blue? Should we activate the thrusters, guys? Should we activate? I see our old boat. You guys see our old boat? I think that's yes. That was loud. That was loud. That was loud. That was mad. Woo! What is happening? I hope you guys can hear me. Okay, let's do it again. We threw someone else's boat. We actually threw someone else's boat. Oh, this is the one that's not that one's not working, but I think we're gonna end the video here. Make sure to like, subscribe, and